Hi everyone, I'm Kamel. In our previous tutorials, we've learned many interesting video effects. Today, I'll show you how to quickly create this freeze-frame blend photo effect. The method is very simple. Just follow the steps and you'll complete it easily. If you're interested, keep watching. To create this effect, we need some suitable materials. I recommend choosing footage with clean, simple backgrounds. Ideally, black ones, as they work best for this effect. Also, using a fixed camera shot is important. This can help create good freeze frames. Now that we have our materials ready, let's begin. First, open VideoProc Vlogger. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can download it for free from the link in the description box. Put your preferred footage on the main track. If your video is long, trim it according to where you want the effect. We can find the image looks slightly gray. We can increase the contrast to make the background darker. Next, move the playhead to find the positions you like. Right-click. Select Add a marker in Clip. Click here to save a screenshot. Move the playhead forward and add more markers, saving screenshots at each mark. Import all screenshots back to VideoProc Vlogger. Click here to create several overlay tracks. Place screenshots at the corresponding marker positions. In the Spectral panel, select Fit to the screen by height. You'll see the images overlay the video. Here's a crucial step. Scroll down to Blend Mode section. Select Lighten. Now, when we move the playhead, we can see the freeze frame effect. Repeat this process, placing all photos in the proper positions. Let me do this quickly. Now, let's play it back. Looks good. Let's make some final adjustment to add detail. Move the playhead to find a freeze frame you want to emphasize. Then, reduce the opacity of other freeze frames to about 50 to 60%. I'll do this quickly, see how this frame stands out now. Next, add music to VideoProc Vlogger and drag it to the music track. We can see the music is longer than the video. If you want the video length to match the music, click here and select Time Stretch. Extend the video to align with the music. Don't forget to adjust the screenshot positions to align with markers. After that, adjust durations. Let's watch the final result. Nice! Isn't it simple? Try it yourself. That's all for this video. For more simple and interesting effects, check our homepage in the playlist. Don't forget to subscribe if you're interested. See you in the next video. Bye!